dry slightly. As we see Filippo Sala, the bright orange helmet, the driver from Trento for the English Recently Motorsport team, go position 1. Underway with the second group of qualifying to the Sala from Padola, Lynch, Bosco Addy of P4, Martinez with 5, Noel Badlin at Matt Corby. Yeah, we are on the Vega West. This is round 2 WSK Super Master Series here at Cremona. The third race of 27 for the 19th season of WSK World Competition. Filippo Sala for Recently Motorsport, 103.160, the time to beat. Languedoc, it is still 63.160 for Filippo Sala from the first group. There is Paris across the line. We'll see if he improves not this time. A 103.496 at 31 Languedoc, Clark Sawyer and Rocco Coronel. Daniel Gallagher up in the P7, Roman Tamiya P3, head of Cruz to the loss. Sakar Sabalev into P9, the Russian ahead of his countryman Vladimir Ivanikov. They are about P15. Ready Shumpy on track, it would appear, in the 3-2-0 for the Kiddix Driver Academy, despite not being well earlier in the week. Sabirov, P23. Shumpy crosses the line. What a courageous effort from Remy Shumpy in the 3-2-0. But he's run the dog, still in P1. But the MPR from the first group in pole position overall. The checkered flag is out to wave. There is Remy Shumpy going through the AKM Motorsport team. The right-hander, the checkered flag is now waving. 63-1-8-4 from Tristan Langadog. He'll get another lap. Gallagher 7, Kamyab 3, critical off 4. Tristan Langadog. It is still Filippo Sala from the first group. Bakisi 17. Under the office. Into P6. Donaldson for AKM Motorsport P13 ahead of Sakai. Rocco Coronel P5 for the victory lane team with 3-4-3. Kostoya, a personal purple sector. Kostoya to complete the lap to knock Van Langadog out of the top spot. He can also improve. He comes to the race to world champion. Can he knock the Repulsala off pole position? 103-181. The answer is no. Kostoya 2. It is still for Repulsala on provisional pole position. Beginning at Van Langadog, 103-181. Repulsala 103-160. Filippo Sala from the first group still on pole. Tristan Langadog fastest in the second group. Head of Kostoya, Kamyab, critical off for Boris Racing. Rocco Coronel for victory lane. Under the office, Paul from Switzerland for RSM P6. And the Irishman Daniel Kelleher 7. Head of Cartier, Chiara Bartier. What a performance from Chiara. P9 ahead of 10, and Ivy Christian just outside the top 10. Tristan Langadog, 103-181, fastest in the second group, but it is still Filippo Sala, 103-160, and the Italian for the English team still on provisional pole position. Kostoya, P2, he was pole position at Leonardo, but the second round of the WSK Supermaster Series at the moment. He's the Italian for the English team here in the rain at Cremona on provisional pole position. The third group are qualifying for OKJ here at Cremona in just a moment.
Hehehe